All right, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to get started with phonics. So today we're on lesson 91. We did day 1 of lesson 91 yesterday on Thursday, so today we'll just continue with day 2. There's our agenda for today. We're going to focus today on the new concept review, and then we're going to do word work, but we're probably going to hold off on the irregular words and the connected text for today. So let's go ahead and let's get started with our new concept review. Hopefully not too new because we just learned a lot of this yesterday. So we have been talking about OO, which we can call long U, and it sounds like ooh, like in spoon. So OO sounds like ooh, as in spoon. Yesterday, we also talked about EW, which sounds the same as OO. So EW is another spelling pattern for long U, and it also sounds like ooh as in spoon. So you'll see EW in words like chew. EW can be found at the end of a word, like in flew or grew. We also talked about UI, which can also make the long U sound, like ooh, as in spoon. So far we have 3. We have OO, we have we have EW, and now we're talking about UI. So all 3 of those patterns will make that long U sound like ooh, as in spoon. UI can be found in words like fruit, and UI will be located in the middle of a word, like in suit or juice. Another long U spelling pattern that sounds like ooh, like in spoon, is UE. So we're going on to 4 different spelling patterns now. So lots to keep track of. We have OO, we have EW, we have UI, and now we're talking about UE. So UE is in words like blue, and UE will be found at the end of a word, like in glue or sue. So here are all of the different spelling patterns that we've talked about. Previously, weeks ago, months even, we talked about silent E with a U. So this is CVCE, right? We also talked about just U by itself, making that long U sound like ooh as in spoon. Earlier this week, we talked about OO. And then yesterday, we talked about EW, UI, and UE. So all together for the long U sound, like in spoon, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different spelling patterns. So a lot to keep track of. We're going to practice some reading together. Get ready. I'm going to put them all up, and then I'm going to circle them or point to them when I want you to read them. Are you ready? All right. Get ready. 1, 2, 3. Through. Fruit. New. Blue. Another time. Fruit. Blue. Through. New. Nice job. So, check. Theo is, can you see him? He says, congratulations on being done with part 1. Thanks, Theo. Now he knows all of the long U sounds too. Okay, so next up, you're going to do your word work. So you're going to get your letter tiles. The substitute will go over which tiles you have. to cut out. So don't forget all of the steps. You're going to cut out the tiles, not necessarily in this order, but you're going to cut out the tiles. You're going to flip them over, do the capitals on the back. You will need the capitals today for at least one of your words, so make sure you do them. And then when you're done, you should clear your workspace off except for your tiles, and then you can start to see which words you can build using that long U sound. Any of the patterns that we have letters available to make. And then once everybody is ready, then the sub will call you back for your attention, and then you'll begin working through our word list for today. So building your letter tiles, building your words with your letter tiles. All right. So listen up to the sub, and he or she will give you some directions on how they're going to hand out the letter tiles. Okay, good luck.